Hello everyone, it's me Elise, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to block contacts on your iPhone and how you can see your blocked contacts on your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, what you want to do is go to your phone application and open it up and go to the contact that you want to block. So over here I'm going into my phone application. Mine is already opened here, and I'll just click on block caller, and this will block contact. You will not receive phone calls, messages, or FaceTime from people on your block list. So what you want to do is you want to click on block contact, and after that you want to go to your settings page, then scroll a bit down, and here we'll see phone. Click on it, and here you can see blocked contacts, and here are the different blocked contacts that is already blocked from my iPhone. So you can see your blocked contacts from here after blocking. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you have any more questions or comments, then leave it on the drop box below. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.